So this 2013 Jetta that I got from a dealer auction, it came with an EPC light on, with a check engine light on, and I've checked and it says that the throttle position sensor low voltage, when you clear it doesn't clear. So let me show you with my OBD11 here. So I connected the OBD11. That's the interface, that's the car. Now when you come here, you see that the engine is red and all the others, and then the gateway and radio. Obviously the gateway and radio would show because I changed the factory radio to an aftermarket radio. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. In the engine, now go to faults, and it says throttle pedal position sensor switch. Now when you try to clear this, it doesn't go, it's static. It tells me that it's not necessarily a bad sensor, because if the sensor was bad, when you clear it would go and then the code will be pending. But in this case, when you try to clear it, it's still static, it doesn't go. So it tells me right away that there is a wiring problem. So the first place I decided to inspect, usually you have to inspect the wiring all the way from the pedal through to the throttle body and to the computer. In this particular case, my first point of inspection, you would see this is supposed to cover this side, and they're held together by these. All you need is a flat head screwdriver to just remove them. It's not, and then you get that out of the way. And then I have peeled the wiring, but these two wires had been cut. It looked to me like they were cut on purpose. Now, like I said, I got this from the dealer auction, and there's one thing I was told by a friend, that some people go to the ADESA and then they deliberately destroy certain things about certain cars to kind of put away the competition so that they can win it for cheap. So I think this person came in, cut the wire, and because it's concealed, nobody would know that, yeah, this wire has been cut, and you'll be discouraged because once you see EPC and check engine light on a Volkswagen, people will be very skeptical about getting it. And unfortunately for this person, I won the car. And so yes, I've removed these. I'm going to join them and then show you. So I've fixed the wiring harness. Let's restart the car. Voila, you see the EPC light is gone. So it means somebody deliberately tampered with that, and now that problem isn't there any longer, the throttle body. So whenever you have this code, and you try to clear it first and it doesn't go at all, it's static, it means there is definitely a wiring issue. There is maybe some break in the wire somewhere. You have to start tracing it. But I mean, some of these people, this stuff, it's unethical to kind of go in there and destroy things about the car so that nobody would be interested in bidding. I mean, that's not great. So I'll just go and clear the pending code. So after connecting back my OBD11 and clearing the code, you see there is no fault with this. You don't have to be scared when you see that EPC and then your throttle isn't really firing that much. When you see this code, like I said, if it's not going away and it's static, then it means there is a wiring problem. Usually if it's a sensor issue, the problem will go off and then it will come back. But when you are clearing and it's not going at all, then it means there's something wrong with the wiring. I would go ahead and take it for a spin, short spin, and then I'll see. So thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as it will be really appreciated. Thank you.